Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area in February 2022. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area. And our journey today start from Melasti Street in Kuta area. And also we make one turn around in around Legian and Raya Kuta Street. Okay guys, now we are in Melasti Street. On this video, I will make video around 15 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. You see left side? There is art market, but today look very quiet. Yeah, it is happening because our government say Bali and Java now in PPKM. It's like new rule to make traveling for domestic tourism. Okay guys? We can see together left side and right side there is some shop are open, but on the sidewalk it look very empty. Yeah, this is the situation at the moment on Melasti Street. Oh yeah, there is some car parking at the front of the hotel. That's really good. Okay guys, from Melasti Street I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment on Raya Legian Street. Actually, this is one way from the south to the north, but I make a little bit mistake because I make like a shortcut to go to Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, now we are on Raya Legian Street. We can see together on the video, left side and right side, there is some shop are already open, but so far in this area still look very quiet. We can see together from the sidewalk, it look empty. There is no people walk around on the sidewalk for do shopping, because in this area, Legian Street is very famous for the shopping area, and also Legian Street there is a lot of hotels, restaurant, and some cafe. And also at the central Legian Street there is a lot of nightclub, so we'll be busy during the night time. Yeah, also in this area there is a lot of shop starting open. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Kuta for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Oh, this area there is a lot more motorbike parking beside the street. That's really good. One car parking at the front 101 Legian hotels. It means like some people stay there, but still look very quiet. Okay guys, if you are ever been stay in Kuta or you've been drive around in Kuta area, so you will know what is Legian Street is, because Legian Street is very famous like Legian Road in Kuta Bali. And also I got so sorry because the camera was not really good because I just used old mobile phone to make this video. Now we are in central of Legian. In this area there is a lot of nightclub and always busy during the night time. Yeah, G4 hotel website also look quiet. Oh my god, you can see together in this area today. It look very quiet, isn't it? But if you see the weather, actually I'm gonna say it's clear but some cloudy. Yeah, left side and right side there is some shop are open, but also some shop are closed. But on the sidewalk still look very empty. Oh, right side. Yeah, there is some people doing some shopping. That's good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Raya Legian Street. So what do you think? It is still very quiet, isn't it? If I turn left at the front, there's the way to go to Nusa Dua or Sanur and then Pasar. But I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment on Raya Kuta Street. Yeah, now we are on Raya Kuta Street. In this area, since the pandemic, there is a lot of shop closed. But now, step by step, shop are open. Oh yeah, there is some car parking beside the street. That's good. And also, at the end of this video, I will show you how the situation at the moment on Dewi Sri Street, the most busier area during this pandemic, because in Dewi Sri Street there is a lot of restaurant and always busy during the night time. Okay guys, now we are nearby central of Kuta. Central of Kuta very famous because there is some big shopping mall, also art market, and also in this area just nearby Kuta Beach. So that's why in this area always busy. Yeah, you see at the front, there is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. Oh, look very quiet. Yeah, because our people doesn't like to be under sun, because under sun make our skin get darker, because our people want to be white. It's very funny, isn't it? I mean, like different culture with international tourism. Yeah, you see left side? This looks so empty on the parking area, because right there usually a lot motorbike parking. You can see right side? There is some car parking in the front of the hotel. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Poppy's Land 1. Oh my god, this area looks very quiet. Usually in this area always busy, but today it is look very empty. Yeah, because I make this video early in the morning, so that's why in this area still a lot of shop closed and business starting yet. Beachwalk Mall, right side. Yeah, in this area will be busy in the afternoon because just nearby Kuta Beach and lots of people doing some shopping. Yeah, this area still look very quiet because I make this video around 9 AM. So Beachwalk still closed and still not so many shops are open in Kuta area. Also we can see left side there is parking area for motorbike and still look empty because this is too early in the morning. You see left side? Along the way on Raya Kuta Beach Street there is Kuta Beach, left side. And in right side there is a lot of hotel and big hotel there. And if you are stay in this area and you are stay in second floor or third floor, so you can see Kuta Beach from the top. Also you can see sunset. It's very beautiful place to stay actually. Mamaka restaurant, right side. Yeah, look very quiet. Yeah, because I told you this is too early in the morning I make this video. But there is some people going to the beach today. Oh, there is a lot of car parking in this area. That's really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Raya Kuta Beach Street. It is looks still very quiet, isn't it? Oh yeah, on Pullman parking area there is some car parking there. That's good. Okay, now we turn right and then we will update the situation on Melasti Street. Yeah, now we are on Melasti Street. Actually, we just passed this area. But let's see how look like in this area now. Right side, Legian Beach Hotel. I keep my video in this area because as I told you, I want to make video without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. So now we do one around in Kuta area and then we will continue driving until to Dewi Sri Street. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Melasti Street. So what do you think? Yeah, still look very quiet, isn't it? If I turn left at the front, there's the way to go to Seminyak and Canggu. But I keep driving because we will update how the situation at the moment on Dewi Sri Street. And now we are on Vijaya Street. On Vijaya Street there is some hotel and also there is some shop for wholesale price. So that's why in this area before the pandemic there is a lot of people from all the country. They come to this area to buy a lot of stuff and they send to their country to resell. And also before the pandemic in this area there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk because as I told you in this area there is not so many much hotels. But the shop is only for wholesale price, not for retails. That's why in this area is not for shopping area, but only for business, export stuff from Bali to other countries. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Vijaya Street. And now we continue driving until Dewi Sri Street. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Raya Legian Street. And now we turn left because we will update how the situation at the moment on Patih Jalanti Street. I make a journey in Kuta area because I want to bring you back memory to Kuta area. I hope you are very clearly understand where we are now. Because when you are ever been stay in Kuta, I think you will be know this area. Right side there is Central Park and also Central Park hotels. The biggest parking area in Kuta. Okay guys, so from Patih Jalanti Street I will turn left because I will update how the situation at the moment on Dewi Sri Street. Yeah, now we are on Dewi Sri Street. And as I told you, in this area will be busy during the night time because in this area there is like restaurant with live music and some restaurant just be at the front of the shop. So during the day there is the shop are open, but in the night time at the front of the shop they make business like the restaurant without the roof, just like open restaurant. And on Dewi Sri Street there is a lot of office and some hotel and some souvenir shop. But we can see together so far in this area still look very quiet, isn't it? Because usually Dewi Sri Street always busy because it's like one way to go to Kuta from Seminyak. Yeah, but today it still look very quiet. I don't know why. Maybe it's too early in the morning because I make this video on the weekend, and on the weekend there is a lot the office are closed. So that's why this area look very quiet now. Okay guys, So this is the situation at the moment on Dewi Sri Street and Kuta area. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.